Being gentle with yourself, how does that feel to you? For me, being gentle with myself often feels like an almost impossible task. With friends, it's easy. With strangers too. The woman at the bakery, for example. For everyone else, there is understanding. A kind word. Even when something goes wrong, isn't finished, or gets mixed up. But for myself, no. The inner voices are often far too loud. They say, "You could have done that better. Why didn't you take care of this earlier?" Another day is over, and once again, you didn't manage to do everything you had planned. You should be more organized, eat healthier, be more awake, more focused, faster, more patient, whatever it is this time. We talk to ourselves in ways we would never talk to anyone else. And yet, shouldn't we be our own best friend? Shouldn't we? Maybe it's time to use this very moment to feel proud of ourselves. What have I already accomplished? How much further am I today compared to 2 years ago? What did I do well? And where are my strengths? And even if something didn't go as planned, okay, I noticed it, I learned from it, and now I move on. I can do this. I am valuable. I am enough. Enough. Every single day. And if today I can only give 30% because life is asking a little more of me right now, and I give those 30%, then I have given everything that was possible today. That is something I can be proud of. Period. My brushstroke of life: be gentle with yourself. Treat yourself the way you would treat your best friend. Because in the end, you are the one person you will spend your entire life with. You are the person who motivates you and carries you forward. And you are the person who deserves to be valued and loved. First and foremost, by yourself. Be gentle with yourself.